Thank you for your interest in joining the Dual Enrollment program at Northeast Alabama Community College. Today we will be completing your admissions application, which is the first step in becoming a Dual Enrollment student. Please make sure that you are using Google Chrome on a desktop or a laptop. Also make sure to have your Social Security number ready as it is part of the application. Let's go ahead and get started. Type www.nacc.edu in the search bar. This will take you to the Northeast website. Scroll down and click on Apply Today. Here you will see the admissions application login page. We'll click on First Time User Account Creation. For your login, you can use your 3 initials and your 6-digit date of birth. And for your password, you can use your 6-digit date of birth. So if your name was Cindy Luhu and your birthday was on December the 24th of 2005, you would type CLW 122405 and your password would be 122405. On the application type, we will go ahead and click on High School Dual Enrollment and press Continue. For the admissions term, we will click on Spring 2021 or whichever term that you are applying for. Go ahead and type in your full name, and click on Fill Out Application. Please make sure to use correct punctuation and correct capitalization throughout this process. Now you will see the checklist. All of these items must be completed before you click on Application is complete. Let's begin with name. Here you will see that your name has been filled in for you. Please make sure that it is typed correctly. You will only use the suffix box if you are named after your father. If this is the case, you will type in Jr. Dot. If you are the third, fourth, and so on with a family tradition name, please use the appropriate Roman numeral format. Otherwise, leave this box blank. If you are a male applicant, please type Mr. Dot. If you are a female applicant, please type Ms. Dot. And click Continue. Here you will input your mailing address. Please use this as an example of what your address will look like. It's very important that you type in your address correctly. Please give us the best number to reach you at. Notice how the phone number has been typed in. The last box is only for a work extension. If what you have included looks correct, please select Continue. Now it's time to input your personal information. Use this as an example of what your information should look like. Use a personal email instead of your high school email. Your Social Security number should be 9 digits with no dashes. Select an ethnic category and select one or more races to indicate what you consider yourself to be. Click Continue. Now you will see the emergency contact information page. This part is very important, so please do not skip. Please select the relationship type along with a first name, last name, and a good phone number. Again, the last box is only for a work extension. You are welcome to enter another relative. Otherwise, click Continue. In this part of the application, you will select your program of study. If you are a technical dual enrollment student, meaning that you are applying for a tech scholarship, please select the appropriate program. For example, if you are taking medical terminology, select Medical Assisting in the scroll bar. If you are not sure or taking a regular academic course, please select the General Academics option. Click Continue. Now you will input your high school information. Listed here are high school codes used in our system. Please find your high school and input the number into the high school code box. List your high school name, high school city, state, and your graduation year. Please use May 31st of your graduation year in this option. Answer the following questions, and for your high school GPA, please input your GPA in a 4.0 format. If you have all A's, that means you have a 4.0. If you have A's and B's, go ahead and input 3.5. We will confirm this later with your high school. Click Continue. Up next is your residency information. Please read each question carefully and answer appropriately depending on your current residence. Once you have answered each question, select Continue. Now you must agree to the terms and conditions of the dual enrollment application process. Please listen carefully as I read them to you. I hereby authorize Northeast Alabama Community College to release my academic record to my high school. I understand that I must maintain a grade of C or better in all attended college courses. I understand if I fail to meet the minimum grade requirement or withdraw from the course, I will be suspended from the program for a minimum of 1 term. The 1-term suspension may not be served during the summer. I understand that if suspended, I may not re-enroll until the suspension has been served. I have the approval of my parent or guardian to participate in the dual enrollment program. You should see 8 red check marks beside each checkpoint. If you do not, please find your errors and correct them. Otherwise, select Application is complete. Lastly, you will see the admissions agreement. Please read this carefully and state whether you agree to the terms. You will now see the signature page. This is a message from NACC Admissions. Listed are requirements you must turn into the admissions office in order to successfully enroll in courses. Please send a picture of your driver's license or permit to admissions@nacc.edu. Please make sure to complete your dual enrollment meeting and your release of student record form, which can be found on the dual enrollment page of the website. If you have any questions, please contact dualenrollment@nacc.edu. We wish you a very successful semester.